Welcome back to Worldwide Boats. I'm Navora, Charter Director. I am here aboard 120 Real Summertime, a boat that just finished a 4.5-year refit. Honestly, she looks brand new, feels brand new, and smells brand new. Take a look for yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Morgan and I'm the Experience Curator here with Worldwide Boat. I am here to assist you guys with all things pre and post charter from the second you hop on your private jet and enter into your luxurious destination until the time that you return home.
Hello guys, my name is Cassidy. I'm chef on board Real Summertime.
Hello Cassidy, and how long you are in this industry and how did you get into yachting?
I've been doing this for 8 years now. I used to be a ski instructor and I got sick of being cold and decided to be part of this, be warm and get to travel. So yeah, 8 years now.
So beautiful. What's your culinary background?
I self-taught. I grew around farm-to-table cooking, being from Vermont. So I love fresh, local, healthy food, and I love what I do.
I'm glad. And what are your specialties?
You know, everyone asks that question, and I think really it's based on where we are. If we're in the Bahamas, Caribbean, I love fresh fish, and depending on what the owner's like, I'm married to a South African, so I've gotten the steak dialed in and meat dialed in as well. So, but really anything fresh and healthy and good.
I already can tell that your guests so lucky. And tell me more about your kitchen, because it's like your castle. So what is your favorite piece of equipment in your galley?
Favorite equipment in the galley? I mean, I guess it's gotta be the KitchenAid, right? the KitchenAid does the magic, and everyone has to have one. Yes, that's my favorite gadget.
And you cooked today something. Can you tell me what you cooked today?
This one here, this is some stuffed mushrooms. Some spicy, cheesy stuffed mushrooms. But out there we've got lobster salad, we've got steak and goat cheese crostini, and a nice cheese platter. So
We're here in the on-deck master, which is quite airy, spacious, and bright. Lots of whites and grays on this boat. It's pretty neutral throughout. Below deck, you've got 3 queens and then 1 stateroom that has 4 fixed singles. So it's perfect for kids. It's 2 bunk bed setups, ideal for families. Nice thing about a tri-deck motor yacht is you get a sky lounge area. It's a second area for your family to hang out, especially in the evenings when the movies get put on and some popcorn is sent up this way, where everybody just lounges, relaxes. This particular space is nice and spacious as well, with a service area for some drinks in the evening, and the captain's not too far as it's an open style helm.
Well, welcome back. Welcome aboard Real Summertime. I'm Captain Rob. We're a 120-foot motor yacht, and we're ready to go to the Bahamas. It's our specialty.
Hello, Captain. So, how you get to yachting industry?
Well, I started as a 10-year-old on little sailboats up in Long Island Sound. And back in the early 60s, my dad bought a 37-foot yawl, which we sailed around Long Island, and I've been messing around with boats ever since.
Nice. And tell me more about this yacht.
Real Summertime is a boat. She was built in Canada. It's a Westport hull built up by Seattle. Canadian builder Sovereign finished out the yacht in 2000. She's sailed across the Pacific with former owner, and she's been in Fort Lauderdale for refit for several years now, and we're just coming back onto the market now as a charter yacht.
So, Captain Rob, if you weren't the captain on yacht, what would you be doing?
Oh, I would be in another boat somewhere, maybe in the South Pacific. So.
And what do you want guests to get out of their charter experience?
It's just such a great adventure. And we love the Bahamas because we can move the boat every day, and there's so many amazing islands to go to, so many things to see, swim with the turtles, Thunderball Cave, scuba diving, snorkeling, all kinds of water sports, fishing. We love it, and I'm sure the guests will love it as well.
I'm sure it's amazing. And during charter, what's the most used area on the boat?
I think the tender, because every day, the guests have breakfast, but it's all about the main event of the day is usually hopping in the tender to either go fishing, go snorkeling, do a party on the beach, and then obviously always coming back, come back from the day's events, hot tub, lunch on board, then off to some other adventure, then dinner on board. So.
Thank you for sharing. And what sets your boat apart from others?
Well, it's so gorgeous. It's just we love this white and black theme Miami interior. It's just she's so unique that way.
And you have amazing crew here, amazing chef.
Absolutely.
How many languages you speak on board?
Mostly English, and a little bit of Spanish, and parlez-vous français as well. So
Thank you, Captain.
you bet.